Nucleic acid hybridization planting techniques. Planting techniques are widely used analytical tools for the specific identification of desert DNA or RNA fragments from larger number of molecules. Planting refers to the process of immobilization of sample nucleic acids or solid support. The planted nucleic acid are then used as a target in a hybridization experiments for the specific detection. So planting techniques is maximum used in this analytical purposes. To identify this desert DNA or maybe this RNA or this protein. All the things are identification. All these materials are identified by this planting techniques. It is very easily how to identify. So this process, immobilization of this sample, immobilization of the sample of the nucleic acid and solid acid. All the things are do that in this planted techniques. So now we'll see about this types of planting technique. Southern planting, the transfer of DNA from the across gel to the nitrocellulose membrane. Northern planting, the transfer of RNA to the nitrocellulose membrane. Western planting, electrophoretic transfer of protein to nitrocellulose membrane. So you have to see in this southern planting to transfer of DNA, northern planting to transfer of RNA, western planting you transfer of protein. So are you understand? First one it is a southern planting DNA, northern planting RNA, western planting protein. So the apply of this electric field, after of the electric field. So first we learn about the southern planting techniques. Southern planting techniques, DNA. The transfer of denatured DNA from across gel to nitrocellulose plotting or filter paper technique was introduced by Southern in 1975. This technique is called Southern planting technique. So what are the steps involved in this Southern planting technique? The transfer of DNA from across gel to the nitrocellulose filter paper is achieved by this capillary action. A transfer buffer solution, so saline citrate is used, in which DNA is highly soluble. It can be drawn up to through the gel into the nitrocellulose membrane. By this process, single-stranded DNA becomes trapped into a membrane matrix. The DNA is hybridized with a nucleic acid can be detected. So by autoradiography. Autoradiography, a technique that captures the image from the photographic emulsion due to the emission of light or radioactivity from a labeled component placed together with the unexposed flame. So what is that? Southern planting. Southern planting, already I told that southern planting, so you have to transfer a DNA from the across-gel nitrocellulose membrane. So this nitrocellulose membrane is the southern planting was introduced by this southern. So that is called this, that's why it is called the technique is southern planting technique. So what are the steps involved in this southern planting technique? So this technique was developed by this British scientist M. Southern in 1975. It is used to check for the presence of DNA sequence in a DNA sample. Using the sample of DNA stands to known of base sequence as a probe. This method is widely used for detection of the specific genes in cellular DNA. So what is that steps involved in this Southern technique? The transfer of DNA from the across gel to the nitrocellulose filter paper is achieved by this capillary action. So first it is, so the DNA is the DNA is cleaved. The DNA is cleaved. Restriction enzymes are the DNA strands are cleaved by this restriction enzyme. So this through the transfer to this across gel. So the fragments are separated by this gel electrophoresis. This is the gel electrophoresis takes place in this first method. So next one. So next, transfer of DNA from the across gel nitrous capillary action, a buffer solution saline. So which buffer solution is used? So that is that SSC. So which DNA is highly soluble in the jan up to this nitrocellulose membrane. So they chopped this DNA from this matrix membrane matrix. So next one, the DNA is hybridized. DNA is hybridized. So the nitrocellulose membrane and the plating paper, that is alkali, all this taking place. So next one, it is a buffer solutions, CSA. So the plating paper passes through the gel, so carrying the DNA onto the membrane. So the membrane DNA, that is a membrane DNA is got to trap that. So next DNA on this are fixed. So next one, it is placed on the hybridization bottle. You have to take the hybridization bottles contains the DNA. So carrying this DNA. So this DNA, it is a further growth for further analytical for this radioactivity. Further analytical for this radioactivity. So lab probe, this is gently rotated. So next, so the probe ends complemented in this DNA fragments. So DNA fragments, and at the time of this autoradiography, applying this autoradiography, detect the fragments when the fluorescence line. Some of this stain is used, that is a polyadenine, it can be used. So I understand. So the DNA is digested with the restriction enzyme. So the cuts the higher molecular weight of the DNA stands in the smaller fragments. First you have to cut the DNA in the smaller fragments. The fragments are separated by this electrophoresis by the across gel. So according to the size, the electrophoresis according to the size. So next, should there be any fragments are larger, 50 kb. So 15 kb chloride. So the DNA fragments breaking into the smaller pieces. So in the alkaline transfer method, the gel is put on this alkaline solution. The alkaline solution. The alkaline denaturation provides improved this negatively charged DNA to this positively charged membrane. That is negatively charged DNA to this positively charged DNA. So that is a 15 kb. Then weight 15 kb. So next one, it is the sheet of nitrosyl membrane placed at the top. So the placed at the top, that is a platform. According to this necessity, depending upon this direction of transfer. So next, the pressure is applied evenly. So to this gel, and the good or even contact between the gel and the membrane. So next, the membrane is then heated 60 degrees Celsius. The membrane is heated 16 degrees Celsius. So when cause the permanent cause linking this DNA fragment through this covalent bonding, so the membrane is exposed to the probe for the hybridization. The single DNA is a fragment, a specific sequence. So the larger DNA can be determined. So next, you have to darker DNA. Give this a darker DNA. So give that the darker DNA is the membrane of that. That is the membrane DNA. So the darker DNA, it can be fixed in this at the membrane. So it can be, the probe is collected, the gently rotated. So then is the radioactive isotopes is given this collected in this tube. Collected in this hybridization tube. So next, so following this hybridization, so the membrane is forced to free this excess of probe. Now in this radioactive labeling with the frozen probe. So taking as above, the pattern hybridization established in this X-ray film is a visualization through the autoradiography. So in case of this chromatic dye is taking, color development of this membranous method is used. So next one. This is the plating apparatus. So that is a weight. So next one is the clay plate, glass plate. So paper, tissues, filter, gel is applying in this area. Support this block. So the plastic and transfer this buffer. So next one, it is northern plating. It was found that the RNA is not binding to the cellulose nitrate, so therefore the Alvin-Intol devised the procedure in which the RNA bands are transferred from the across gel to the cellulose filter paper. This transfer of RNA from gel to special filter paper is called Northern plant hybridization. The filter paper used to do Northern plant is amino-benzylmethane paper, which can be prepared from Whatman 540 paper. So next one is the Northern planting. So Northern hybridization, it was developed by this James Alvin. Okay, so it was developed by this James Alvin, Intol and Agricultural Standard University. So it is an analogy of this Southern planting. It is so named as an analogy to Southern planting. So this technique to identify the base pairs of RNA. This base pairs of RNA. Base pairs of this RNA. So here RNA is extracted and fractionated according to the size by electrophoresis. The same procedure of this Southern planting. This procedure of this same procedure of this Southern planting is followed. So Northern planting is frequently used to determine whether specific mRNA is present in different types of cells. So in the Northern planting, when across gel is used, Northern planting la enna use pannirukanga, that is the across gel. So across gel is used. So formaldehyde is added as a denaturant. So for smaller fragment denaturant polyaggregate urea, so gels are used. The hybridization probe may be from DNA or RNA. So reverse Northern planting is all that taking place. So this substrate is a collection of the isolated DNA fragments, and the probe RNA is extracted from the tissues are labeled radioactivity. So next move to this Western planting.